And we have breaking news out of New York City. The judgment in Donald Trump's civil fraud trial has been signed by Judge Arthur Engoron and officially entered. The total judgment for the former president now stands at not $354 million, but $454 million. Joining us now is Lisa Rubin. Lisa, thank you very much for rushing to a camera. Why is this so much higher than what we recorded last week?
So, Kitty, the award last week reflected the profits or ill-gotten gains that Judge Engoron determined that the Trump defendants had to return. And in each case, he said that they owed prejudgment interest dating back to different dates. For example, the first $168 million that Donald Trump and his companies own, an interest that they saved through their fraud, that prejudgment interest dates back to March 4th, 2019, almost 5 years ago. The judgment that was entered today incorporates actual dollar amounts for all of that prejudgment interest, and therefore the total judgment itself has now been raised by almost $100 million for Donald Trump alone. Now, after today, it will continue to accrue 9% interest annually, and we estimate that that's around $111,000 per day starting today.
$111,000 per day starting today. He's got 30 days to appeal this. Does it pause for the 30-day appeal, or is it just ongoing now?
So it continues to accrue, that's my understanding, until he obtains a stay. And the way, of course, to obtain a stay is not only by filing what's called a notice of appeal, but by posting what the law refers to as an undertaking. That's a fancy way of saying either the entirety of the judgment and then some, or you get a company or other paying person to put that up for you. And behind the scenes, you might pay that person a down payment and give them some collateral. We don't know how Donald Trump will post that undertaking, let alone if he will post that undertaking. We'll all have to wait and see. I have been told, Katie, however, by the New York Attorney General's office that if Donald Trump posts an undertaking, it won't necessarily be transparent to any of us who is doing that for him or whether he's put up the cash himself.